Hi guys, today we're gonna draw Goku in 4 different art style. So let's start. First, the sketch. Gonna draw Goku Super Saiyan Blue. Now it's time to make a division. Okay, let's select the art style. The first one is pixel. Now the color. To be honest, it looked fantastic. Now the second one, I hope it's One Piece. Yeah. Okay, okay. First, the eyes. Now the liner and the color. Amazing, bro. Okay, this time is One Piece. Come on. Holy cow, bro. Oof, it looks fantastic. Comment below, what do you want more? Disney. Come on, man. Comment below which one do you like more? Of course, in the comment box. And here we have the final result. Never forget, God bless you. Ciao, ciao.